Hey y'all, so welcome to the vlog. It's another week. Hold on, pause. I have actually noticed in my last two vlogs that my fan has been messing with my audio whenever I'm in my room, because my fan is it's a very good fan, right? So the breeze, it's a lot. But anyways, I just realized that I left my tripod in Kingston. I don't know where, if it's at my friend's house or in their vehicle, I don't know, but I'm stressed because I have a couple things coming up this week and I really would need my tripod, but I think well, the thing is I have to go into Kingston anyways, so hopefully I can figure that out. But anyways, I did not just get up, but I just kind of fixed up myself, you know, did my skincare, combed my hair, because I told myself I'm gonna stop coming on camera looking crazy. But I'm gonna do some laundry. Today's Thursday, by the way. It's Thursday and I'm starting this vlog on Thursday, only because I should have quite a bit of things happening this week, starting today actually, but I don't know how that's going yet, but I'll let y'all know in a minute. But yeah, I want to do some laundry today, so I'm gonna pack out some stuff to do laundry. I've been watching a lot of the Korean girls on YouTube, and I really love their style of vlogging. They don't even talk in their vlogs. They just there's this one called My Name is Hannah. I think that's the name of her YouTube. Her vlogs are so nice, and she doesn't even talk in them. She hardly talks. It's really just visual and sounds, and it's just it's my vibe, it's my jam. And I really like it, because if you notice the way I do my vlogs, most of the time I try to make it more visually pleasing and sound pleasing, instead of me just being on camera talking, you know, because I don't know, I just think it puts more interest in the vlog. But I feel I was gonna try to do something like that today. I don't know how successful I'll be, but I've always kind of wanted to do my vlogs like that, but I always felt like I couldn't because I vlog on my phone. But she vlogs mostly on her phone, so I don't have no excuse. So I'm gonna tidy up my room a little bit, and I'm gonna do some laundry, and then in between that I'm gonna be working. So I think I'm just gonna give you guys just a little bit of that for the rest of the day. So yeah. Getting ready to record. I put on red lipstick for this.
Yeah, it's gonna be lit.
Hopefully we're not too intoxicated because the things that when
We
you air
won't
shut
be.
up.
No, but this is nice. This gets you because I took one
I
drink.
don't think I've ever tried this. This one specifically.
Oh, the Cabernet Sauvignon.
Yeah.
It's bitter. I don't like bitter wine. My mom sent it to me.
Oh, your mom is that girl.
Yeah,
I like her.
She sent me a bag of stuff, and I'm just like, who is this from? She's like, me. I'm trying to look at the percentage. Just know, one glass gets you. So.
Alright, we're gonna start filming now, so
Yes.
ta-ta. Tell us why Bicana's camera hates us.
Acting bougie. My camera is acting funny around strangers. Like, you seen Ashley before. I wish the Halloween vlog was longer.
Yes, it wasn't that long. You know what's funny? Speaking of that, a lot of the times I have, my last vlog that I put out, guys, I forgot to put some footage in there. It wasn't on purpose. I might drop it in this vlog.
Like previously.
Yeah, I might drop it in this vlog. It was like a doggy birthday party. But it was cute. You know, the lead up was kind of cute. I didn't realize it wasn't in the vlog until after. I was like, wait, I don't remember seeing that in the vlog. And this happens all the time. Like, I'll finish a vlog and then realize there's missing footage. And I'm like, why didn't I put that footage in there?
But you know what?
I'm like, where's the footage?
Create a folder and put all your footage. Because like, I have a Halloween folder or a night routine folder and I put everything so I don't miss out.
Yeah, I need to do that because
when you put them all in one space, sometimes they might
be missing stuff. You be missing stuff. But we're trying to record and I think the camera is full. Like my phone. But yeah. Hey, it looks zoomed out now. But I guess when it starts recording, it will be all zoomed in. Hold up. But yeah, Bicana is literally around the road from me now, and I feel like we're both probably just always home.
Okay, I think probably another vlog. It should show more because I did nighttime routine.
Ooh, see, those are the things I want to do, and I can't because I don't have light. I have good lighting.
Yeah, the nighttime routine was right.
I'm excited to see that.
I think I want to upload it tomorrow. I don't know, when you did the white so long.
Like, you guys should check out Bicana's vlogs though. Bicana is somebody I watch like during the daytime. Like, I watch a lot of vlogs during the daytime, during my days. You probably see them in my stories. I like vlogs that are very chill.
In your vlogs, you show us.
Yes, I show like me watching people. I like very chill vlogs during the days. Because like I can work and watch you in my little mirror.
Yes.
I love that. And she's one of the people that I watch like during the daytime.
Now your room tour, like your videos are really nice, but you just have to be more consistent.
I need quality.
Yeah, quality.
I want a vlog camera so bad.
I remember this outro.
I really put a lot of effort into that room tour. And then I lost some of my footage.
Yeah, you did say that.
The painting part, which was so fundamental. Especially the accent wall, because I recorded all of that. I did that accent wall myself, you know.
Overall, it came together really nice.
Really nice.
You didn't have any TikTok content of your room tour?
No, just the rotated one thing. The one I posted that on every platform.
Yeah.
But it did well on. It did good enough on Instagram.
Yeah, it's really good. Really, you should do more. Like, I think Anisha said it that you should do more spaces.
I do. I want to. I plan on doing another space in my house. Not going to tell you guys where, but it's gonna be in January though, because I have things coming up that I can't tell you about. But but it's definitely gonna be in January. I want to do another space in my house, and yeah, I'm acting like the house is all mine, because it really is. If you think about it, wink, wink. My mom is probably watching this like, excuse me. But you know, might as well fix it up from now, mommy. You're well comfortable. But I definitely have a lot of space I want to fix up in the house because it wants a little spruce up. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna do that. Am I interior designer now?
You should do a sit down video and talk about, because I know people always, and I will
about
get to
everything that I did?
the cost. Because people always ask me about the cost about me and mommy's house in Trelawney. And like, I've been meaning to do it. And I know there's people doing that now.
This girl is gonna make us take shots. We just paused filming, and I feel like we've been filming for about an hour.
Yes.
Or more, actually. So you said 20 minutes, 16 minutes.
Yes, one was about 20, one was 16, and that was probably that one. Is it still recording? No, that was probably
Yours is not recording. I'm recording.
Yeah.
Well, I can't wait to get a vlog camera. Like, I need a vlog camera so bad. I'm gonna start a GoFundMe for a vlog camera.
I start a GoFundMe for so much things.
Or does it have to be a GoFundMe? You know what I wish I could have?
Not PayPal, on Patreon.
But I'll ask her how Patreon works, but I'm just like, I need, what is that? Did I just break the glass? No, but it threw away a little bit.
Okay, but it's not.
At least the glass didn't break. I spilled the wine, y'all. I spilled the wine.
At least it didn't hit the couch, because I was worried about that.
I was worried it was gonna break. I mean, glass everywhere.
This is some tough glass.
I don't know how Patreon works, but y'all can let me know too in the comments. But I don't know. I really want a vlog camera, and I want to give you guys like really high quality vlogs. And I feel like if I have a vlog camera as well, like I'll do a lot more things, because sometimes I'm conscious of not doing certain vlogs or certain things in my vlog because of the lighting and the way how like the phone lets in light. Unlike it's like, oh, your vlog camera now, it's super bright in the room and it's not even that bright. So like right now on my phone it's so dark, but on her camera it's so bright. So I would make the effort to vlog at night. Girl, don't break it. But I made the effort to like vlog at nights and things like that, But I don't vlog at nights. I don't record certain things. Like even food, I want to record like more of me cooking, because people ask me for that. Because people loved when I used to cook in my vlogs in the early days. But the lighting used to be so bad in my kitchen. Just don't do it. Oh my gosh, she's making us drinks, guys. Ooh, and it's Smirnoff. Ooh, ooh.
Damn, it's done.
But I have Smirnoff content to film. But yeah, it's my constant struggle. So I really want to get a vlog camera, because it will help me a whole lot. And I think it would allow me to record a lot more things that I want to, because I have better quality camera to let in light, and it's the little things, because I want to cook more too. I want to show like my little recipes and stuff in my vlogs and cocktail stuff, guys. It does?
It's not bad. It's not bad. That was my impromptu.
Not me showing Bakana's whole apartment. Like, have you even showed your place in your vlogs, and I'm showing your whole place?
I showed the empty tour, but I haven't showed the...
Exactly, and I'm showing her place, and she don't even show her place.
Like, I think my video's gonna go before you.
Before this one?
Yeah.
This.
I'm kind of just feeling uninspired by what I've had, because I've used it for so many years.
So I just got another package from Shop MISSA, and comment below if you guys think I should do like a haul video. I feel like I should do a haul video because I got some stuff like a couple weeks ago, and I shared them in my last vlog. Told you guys I was gonna do a haul. Didn't remember to do the haul, but I did link like the website in the description. But I feel like it would be cool for me to like do a haul and actually show you guys like what I typically get on there. Cause I mean, if you don't know about it, it's a dollar store, by the way. Like I'm trying to find my scissors. That's what I'm looking for. My scissors is not in sight. But yeah, basically it's a dollar store. Like if you're not familiar with it, it's just like a very big online dollar store. Well, not online, because they actually have physical stores in like the States, I think. But I've been shopping from them for like years, and they have really upped their packaging. Look at the packaging. Like, it's just nice, But anyways, I don't think I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. Plus I don't really have the time, to be honest, because I am supposed to be going. Oh shit, I forgot. I forgot to turn down the fan. Could you guys hear me all this time? I don't know. But anyways, I'm not gonna record this over. I'm hoping that you guys were hearing me before, but yeah, the packaging look really nice. I love that they start putting it in this, so like you don't have to worry about anything shaking up or nothing. Like it's well packed. But I think I'm probably just gonna give you guys a haul video with just everything I've gotten over the last month, which is, this was like a $35 purchase. This was $35. Everything in here was $35. And then my last purchase I think was $50. And as I said, it's a dollar store, so most things are a dollar. If they're not a dollar, it's usually like a dollar something, you know what I mean, for the things. And usually that's because they give like the couple cents on it to charity or something, or usually it's like a package deal thing that they're doing, and they give you, so like you're buying, so like you get like 10 makeup brushes in a set, and the cost, instead of the cost being like $10, it's like $9, I think, something like that. But you guys can check it out for yourself. I'm gonna do like a full haul in a different video because I don't have the time to go through everything with you guys right now, but I just wanted to show you guys what my $35 purchase looks like. $35 is almost 35 items. I'm gonna show you guys, hold on. Okay guys, this is my $35, oop, that's not included. This is my $35 purchase. So this is all the stuff that I got. Beauty blenders. I spoke about this in my last vlog. I think this is the correct blender to the one that I had before. So I bought this one, the Wonder blender. So I'm gonna try it out now when I do my face and figure out if it's the right one. But as I said, I'll give you guys like a proper haul in like probably our next video, because I don't have the time to do like all of this right now, you know. So yeah, kind of giving you guys a sneak peek. But what I might do too is probably link some of these things in the description box below. But yeah, this is my haul. Bringing us out in the middle of New Kingston to fly her drone. I feel like I'm just watching for anybody trying to rob us.
That's your job.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're ready to take off.
I'm trying to not get robbed. I don't want to get robbed, you know? We're in the middle of New Kingston and Oxford Boulevard. Woo! Get some drone footage. Okay, Mr. Drone. Yeah. No, VM sign looks terrible.
That's the building. Now we're gonna turn. It's kind of high. It's not really high wind, but like in the wind. Yeah. Look at her.
wrong seat on the screen?
Yeah, no, but I want to always have to keep your eye on
Oh,
the
yeah.
drone, because you never know what I'm seeing. It's not what the drone's seeing is not what I'm seeing. So I need to make sure the drone isn't gonna fly into a tree that's actually pretty close.
It looks really good.
I'm gonna run.
This is her in the heels running. My goodness.
This is where it is right
so
now.
Good.
So I'm gonna hit record,
Oh my goodness.
and I'm gonna come back towards us.
Oh my goodness, this looks so good.
I'll send it to you.
No,
No, thank you. No, thank you.
In the road, there's a car coming. Hurry up. It's on green. Go, come on. You're so crazy. Oh my god. Okay, we're safe. We're in the car.
I just got back home. My makeup still looks pretty decent, except my nose, of course, because the mask has like rubbed off almost all of my nose makeup. Can y'all see my contour? I think I did pretty good with my contour today. My contour and my blush, but I really loved how my makeup came out today. I really love my eye makeup as well. I just really been loving like this eyeliner and mascara vibe instead of doing lashes. I don't know, I've been loving it. I mean, sometimes I still like want that cat eye, like super cat eye vibe, so like I'll put lashes on. But I really loved how it came out today. I think I did a good job. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, so let me turn the camera around. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I have a lot of cleaning to do. My floor is a mess. I have a bunch of stuff to clean up, my makeup, brushes and all of that. As usual, I forgot to turn off turn down the fan, so I know the fan is really windy, so, and it's, you guys are able to hear it like in the vlog, which is kind of annoying. But yeah, I'm gonna put on a movie, probably put on like something on Netflix, clean up my room, maybe I'll vlog that and drop that in, but otherwise from that I'm gonna end the vlog here. Might give you guys a little bit of b-roll, but yeah, that's it guys for this week. Let me know if you guys want the MISSA haul, because I'm down to do that. But yeah, so leave a like, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. Share the video with a friend, you know, encourage them to subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, people. Like, I want to get to 1,000 subscribers so bad. But yeah, and follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok as well. I'm over on TikTok now, so if you are on TikTok, you can follow me over on there. My TikTok is the same name as my Instagram, _AshleyCarla. Follow me over there. And yeah, thanks for hanging out with me today guys. Well, not today, but all week. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye.